Does TCL Google TV have AirPlay? Many TCL Google TVs support Apple AirPlay, allowing users to wirelessly stream videos, music, and photos from their iPhone, iPad, or Mac directly to the TV. However, AirPlay availability depends on the specific model and software version. While newer TCL Google TVs generally include AirPlay 2, some older models may lack this feature. 1. AirPlay support. On TCL Google TVs released in recent years often come with AirPlay 2 support, enabling seamless screen mirroring and content streaming from Apple devices. Users can check the TV's settings to confirm if AirPlay is available. If Apple AirPlay and HomeKit appears in the menu, the TV supports AirPlay. 2. How to use AirPlay on a TCL Google TV. To stream content via AirPlay on a TCL Google TV. Step 1. Ensure the TCL Google TV and Apple device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On your iPhone or iPad, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. Step 3. Select your TCL TV from the list of available devices. Step 4. If prompted, enter the AirPlay code displayed on the TV. Step 5. Start streaming or mirroring content from your Apple device. 3. Limitations of AirPlay on TCL Google TVs. While AirPlay is supported on many TCL Google TVs, there are some limitations. Not all models have AirPlay 2 support. Older TCL TVs may lack this feature. No direct Apple App Store. Users must rely on AirPlay or third-party apps to stream Apple content. Some apps may block AirPlay streaming due to copyright protections. Wi-Fi dependency. AirPlay requires a stable network connection for smooth playback. 4th, alternative streaming options. For TCL Google TVs that do not support AirPlay, users can try Google Chromecast. Built-in, works with Android devices and Google Chrome on PC. HDMI connection, allows direct streaming from Apple devices using an HDMI adapter. Third-party apps, some apps like a Power Mirror or AirScreen provide AirPlay-like functionality. 5. How to check if your TCL Google TV has AirPlay. To confirm if a TCL Google TV supports AirPlay, go to Settings, then Apple AirPlay and HomeKit on the TV. If the option is present, AirPlay is supported. Check the TCL website or user manual for model-specific details. Many TCL Google TVs come with AirPlay 2 support, making it easy to stream content from Apple devices. However, users should check their TV settings to confirm compatibility. If AirPlay is unavailable, alternative methods like Chromecast, HDMI, or third-party apps can be used for screen mirroring.